Hey guys, it's Eureka. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, by the title, I'm sure you can already tell, I'm going to be doing a braid out on my locks. So I've had these braids in for about a week and some change, like a week and a few days, I want to say. And I pretty much put them in about right when my lock twists were getting a little bit old and I didn't want to go back to the straight look. So right after I washed my hair, I put them in braids and I'm going to take them out and see how they look, because I just like a little bit of volume, a little bit of bounce. You know, the straight look is cute, but sometimes we want a little bit of a change. So yeah, let's just see how that goes. All right, so I did the back, and from here you can already see it's giving curls. So to take them down just like I would do when I was natural, I'm going to just put some oil so that it's not too dry, and then I'm just going to take out the rubber band and then just unbraid my locks. So as I'm unbraiding it, I'm making sure to pull my hair apart, because whenever I go in between retwists like this, my roots do tend to tangle with each other. So I'm just pulling them apart to make sure they're not tangled up with each other. But you see the inches? Okay, let me stop. All right, so this is how it is looking. It's giving very much curls, body, and I'm really feeling this look, because I was looking like a little busted up. I'm not even gonna lie, for the past week with those dookie braids, but this was definitely worth it. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put some edges on this little side here, because this is my new growth that's getting a little bit out of hand. And then I'm gonna come back. So I'm back and this is how it looks. I just slicked it down a bit because, as you guys know, I don't really care for baby hairs and all that stuff. But it was a little bit of new growth and I didn't like how it was looking, so I just slicked it down. You can kind of see like the little bit of gel right there, and I just put the locks over it because, yeah, let's just block that off a little bit. But this is the finished look. I'm very much satisfied with it. And like I said, I had the braids in for about a week and a half. I put them in on Monday, and today is Wednesday of the next week. So a week and a few days. And to put them in, I just used my regular leave-in spray. I didn't use any mousse because I know I would leave it in for at least a week. But if you're going to leave it in for like a day or two, then I'll say use mousse so that it can hold and give you, you know, like the definition that you're looking for. But otherwise, this is pretty much it. And I'm very much satisfied with it. And you can see the length. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. As you can see, I'm really happy with how this is looking. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.